Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 9 coolest survival gadgets that are definitely worth buying. These gadgets are not only practical but also super innovative. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So let's get started. 9. BioLite Camp Stove Complete Cook Kit. The BioLite Camp Stove Complete Cook Kit is an innovative outdoor cooking solution designed for adventurers and campers. This compact kit combines a portable biomass stove with essential cooking tools, allowing users to harness renewable energy from natural materials. The camp stove burns twigs, pine cones, and other organic matter, producing heat for cooking while generating electricity to charge small devices via USB. The kit includes a lightweight pot, a grill attachment, and a pot support, making it versatile for various cooking methods, whether you're boiling water, grilling, or simmering. Its sleek design ensures efficient combustion, reducing smoke output and making it environmentally friendly. With an easy-to-use fan that enhances airflow, the camp stove delivers impressive cooking performance in a compact. 8. Helinox Chair Zero. The Helinox Chair Zero is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort without the bulk. Weighing in at just 1 pound, 450 grams. This ultra-lightweight chair is designed for backpackers, campers, and festival-goers who value portability. Its compact size makes it easy to pack and carry, fitting neatly into your backpack or even a tote bag. Constructed with high-quality materials, the Chair Zero features a durable aluminum frame and a breathable, supportive mesh seat that ensures comfort during long periods of sitting. Its innovative design allows for quick setup and takedown, making it convenient for those on the go. The chair can support up to 265 pounds, proving that lightweight doesn't mean compromising on strength. 7. Emergency Bivy in OD Green. The Emergency Bivy in OD Green is a crucial addition to any survival kit or outdoor gear collection. Designed for extreme conditions, this lightweight, compact bivy provides essential warmth and protection in emergency situations. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it reflects body heat, ensuring you stay warm even in the coldest environments. Its olive drab, OD green color offers effective camouflage, making it an ideal choice for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts who want to blend in with nature. The bivy is spacious enough to accommodate one person comfortably while being easy to pack and carry. 6. 7-in-1 Tactical Bracelet. The 7-in-1 Tactical Bracelet is an essential survival accessory for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. This multifunctional bracelet combines style and practicality, featuring durable paracord that can be unraveled in emergencies for various uses, such as building shelters or securing gear. In addition to the paracord, the bracelet includes a built-in compass, allowing you to navigate during your excursions. It also features a whistle for signaling in case of emergencies, a fire starter for quick ignition, and a mini knife for versatile cutting tasks. Lightweight and adjustable, the bracelet is designed for comfort and easy wear, making it a perfect addition to your camping, hiking, or survival gear. 5. Gerber Gear Lockdown Prime Multi-Tool. The Gerber Gear Lockdown Prime Multi-Tool is a versatile and compact solution for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Engineered for durability and functionality, this multi-tool features a robust pry bar that's perfect for tackling various tasks, from opening paint cans to prying apart stubborn objects. Weighing in at just a few ounces, the Lockdown Pry is designed for portability, easily fitting into pockets or attaching to gear with its built-in keychain loop. The multi-tool also includes several essential tools, such as a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener, and a wire stripper, making it ideal for quick fixes and everyday challenges. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. 4. Survivor Filter Pro X. The Survivor Filter PROX is a cutting-edge water filtration system designed for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and emergency preparedness. This portable filter is engineered to provide clean, safe drinking water from various sources, including lakes, rivers, and even tap water, making it an essential tool for camping, hiking, and survival situations. Featuring a 3-stage filtration process, the PROX removes 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and parasites, ensuring your water is safe to drink. The system includes a high-capacity filter, a carbon filter for improving taste, and a pre-filter that helps extend the life of the main filter. 3. Olight Beton Turbo. The Olight Beton Turbo is a high-performance EDC, everyday carry, flashlight designed for versatility and power. Compact and lightweight, this rechargeable flashlight delivers an impressive output of up to 1,300 lumens, providing bright illumination for various situations from outdoor adventures to everyday tasks. Its sleek design features a durable aluminum body with a premium finish, ensuring both style and resilience. The Beton Turbo is equipped with a user-friendly side switch, allowing for easy access to multiple brightness levels and a strobe mode for emergencies. Its impressive beam distance of up to 220 meters makes it suitable for both close-range tasks and long-distance illumination. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Olight Beton Turbo offers convenience and sustainability. 2. Black Diamond Equipment Sprinter 500 Headlamp. The Black Diamond Equipment Sprinter 500 headlamp is a powerful and versatile lighting solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and runners. With an impressive 500 lumens of output, this headlamp provides bright, reliable illumination for a variety of activities. Whether you're navigating dark trails, hiking at dusk, or setting up camp after sunset. Designed for comfort and stability, the Sprinter 500 features an adjustable and breathable headband that ensures a secure fit during high-intensity activities. Its sleek, low-profile design minimizes bounce, making it ideal for running or fast-paced hiking. The headlamp also includes a rechargeable battery, providing convenience and sustainability without the need for disposable batteries. With multiple lighting modes, including dimming options and a strobe function, you can easily customize the brightness to suit your needs. 1. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a revolutionary tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and emergency preparedness. Compact and lightweight, this portable filter allows you to drink directly from contaminated water sources like rivers, lakes, and streams, making it an essential item for hiking, camping, and survival situations. Utilizing advanced hollow fiber membrane technology, the LifeStraw removes 99% of bacteria and 99.9% of parasites, ensuring that the water you consume is safe and free from harmful microorganisms. Its impressive filtration capability allows you to filter up to 1,000 liters, about 264 gallons, of water, providing long-lasting performance for your adventures. The LifeStraw is easy to use. Simply place one end in the water source and sip through the straw. So there you have it. Those are our top 9 coolest survival gadgets that are definitely worth buying. Which one do you think you'll get? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Stay safe and prepared out there. See you next time.